Alrighty, this is the entity that is stalking, all right? Doing so, continuously flying in the direction that I'm walking down Euclid. This is the evidence of it. This is Granada. So this is far from what is 5th Street. This is the fake sun in alignment to me at PEREZ Law. Remember my video where this population is molesting me with impossible light. PEREZ Law are gang stalking, maintaining also a law firm legally relevant while they're engaged in terrorism, domestic terrorism with the U.S. military, with the gang stalking law enforcement agencies, with the people of the state. The people of the state that they represent as clients in courtrooms that are engaged in the criminal surveillance system, where they're maintaining an illusion regarding privacy, attorney-client privilege, especially while they're engaging in the hypocritical conduct, criminal activity that I'm subject to now, regardless of whether they're in this physical office or not. They are here sharing in the state's P.O.C. and they are unfit to practice law while you are engaging in that pattern of conduct. You are unfit to be an officer of the court by virtue of what that entails and what is included in the pattern of conduct as a terrorist. No terrorist is going to be an officer of the court. This is what the entity is doing, and this is what I'm reporting. Those that are engaging in the practice of law, they are the reason why they are how people like myself are kidnapped by the military, by gang stalking law enforcement agencies, by gang stalking courthouses who have judges who are demons sitting on the bench, engaging in the P.O.C. That is Delta Airlines that's stalking. Stalking while the fake sun, the population, just like I stated, following me as I am, and they are following because they're crossing path over and over again while I continue, and the entity is engaging with keeping the fake sun. They're crossing path, they're maintaining presence, they're stalking as an entity, just like they were at 5th Street and Euclid Avenue, flying over my head. That is stalking by helicopter at 1258 North Euclid Avenue, and doing so at this same location where I also have the evidence of a fake sun in the morning, where the entity is doing so with the military that's stalking me by planes and helicopters. This is the entity that's going to be subject to martial law, and the people of the state shall compensate you. You're going to be compensating the American citizen that you levy war against. That's P.O.C. That's Omnitransit's gang stalking. There's no sun that remains in the window of those buses, contrary to what Omnitrans is inflicting upon me when I'm on those buses. Those are demons operating coaches. In case you did not know, that's referred to as what is a threat to public safety. All right, that's the P.O.C. While the military are exhibiting severe mental instability, stalking in planes and helicopters is the outward demonstration regarding what is exposing their closeted mental illness, while they're stalking the federal prosecutor that is putting them in the mental institutions where they have belonged for a long time. Engaging in terrorism, not protection of the American people. They're engaging in terrorism with the people of the state, not private citizens who are American people. They're engaging in un-American, criminal, and psychopathic P.O.C. And they will be subject to martial law, federal prison, prosecution as terrorists, deportation, loss of custody of children, and subject to civil prosecution for terrorism, which is an unprecedented basis of civil damages. And hopefully it results in your being impoverished, homeless. Hopefully it results in what is, and that is the plan, to destroy that company, remove it from existence. This is P.O.C. It is currently 6:09 p.m. at Granada and Euclid.